Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to make created player a captain in episode 26. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to the gear icon which you can see at top left hand corner. Once that open, go to this section create player, and by using the right stick we'll open the option delete player just to see the team of our created player. So this is the player which I wanna make captain, and the team of this player is Arsenal, which you can see above. Once you sure about the team, we'll head over to edit teams, go to team sheets. Just right here we need to select Arsenal. So since it is in England, we'll just select the England from here. Okay, and just right here we have the option to select the Arsenal. Open that and go to this option. Just right here at the bottom you're gonna see your created player. Here it is. So we need to move this created player just here in the substitutes. Okay, and now from this substitute we're gonna replace the player from the current team. So I'll just replace my created player with Gyökeres. Okay, and once you do that by using the RB key or R1 key, we'll head over to the section assignments, and right now this player is captain. So to change the captaincy, just select the player and just assign this to our created player. Once you do that, just get back from this. Okay, save this, and now if we again open this option to see if our player is captain or not, here you can see that they have make our player a captain. And that's exactly how you can make your created player a captain in episode 26. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.